Now that you get all of this set up, you're ready to charge your system. To protect yourself, the only thing that could happen, possibly, which I've never seen happen, but you're putting 3,000 pounds on your gauges. So as a safety precaution, you put it up against something and you charge your system. Now once you charge your system, you want to open your valve all the way. And as you look at your gauge, you can see how many pounds of pressure you have in your tank. Now, your inflator, deflator. You push the blue button, you actually see your BC fill up with air. So, of course, you're going to go up when you do that. Now, you want to go back down. Push your black button. Let the air out. So that's the principle of what this does. Now, your mouthpiece, you can breathe out of it now. And this is what you want to do before you actually get in the water, is check out your works good. Your secondary is on this side. It's right here. You want to check it out. Very good. It also has a purge button on it, which allows you to clear water out of your regulator. If you're under the water and you take it out of your mouth, or you need to use your secondary, you're going to put it in there, you're going to have water inside of here. You can do two things. You can blow, it'll blow all the water out. Or you can use your purge button. It'll do the same thing, it'll clear the air, or the water out of the regulator piece. And then you're ready to breathe underwater. Very simple. And then, of course, you're going to have your weight belt on. And now let's see how it fits. Let's tear it apart before it goes. Yep. There you go. And then you're going to put that together like that. That'll snap on there like that. And he's ready to use his regulator. Now, when you're diving as well, and you're under the water and you want to retrieve your regulator, then you would use a sweeping motion like that. Reach around, touch your tank, bring your hands up like that, and right there's your regulator. So that's the way that you can retrieve your regulator underwater. And of course this one here is always on your right side. And that's the way you put together your regulator and your complete dive suit.